give you some 3 or 4 marks question with answer, which may help you to prepare yourself for the coming examination. Okay, thank you. For the coming examination. Now, I have one question to ask you, whether the question answer has already been discussed by ma'am in your class, or you require any help from me. Please write or tell. Do you want that I may discuss all the other chapters also, if I can and have time? I think ma'am has done everything. Okay, I shall try my best, if I get time at least. Now, the question is, what is an MNC? How are MNCs able to gain greater profits? Greater profits. What is an MNC? How are MNC able to gain greater profit? MNC bolte ki bojo? Is the board visible or some part not visible? Right part is visible. Yes, sir. Okay. So now you may say, what is the full form of MNCs? What is the full form of MNCs? Just tell. After gain, it is not visible. After gain or greater profits, just kindly note that to gain greater profits. Just write this line, then I will try to avoid that part. Multinational corporations. So, multinational corporations. MNCs are multinational corporation. So, answer টা এরকম, multinational corporations it is the full form of MNC. So MNC is a company. Is a company. I think up to this it is visible. Company that owns and controls production in more than one countries or in more than one country in the world. And they have enough capital in their hands to invest in different countries in the world. Now I think all parts are visible. So multinational corporation is a company that owns and controls production in more than one country in the world, and they have enough capital in their hands to invest in different countries in the world. Is it clear? May I remove for the another question answer? Yes, sir. Okay. The next question number 2 আর number form আর লিখছি না for saving time. Which region are favorable for MNCs to set up production. Which regions are favorable for MNCs? MNCs, multinational companies, are the business persons. They want to earn profit out of their production and out of their investment. So, they choose all such countries where they can start their production at lower cost, and by selling the commodity, they can earn a lot of profit. So, earning of profit is one of the chief aim of the MNCs, that is multinational companies. It is their aim to earn profit, so they are coming to the other countries in the world But it is not only the benefit of the MNCs, the countries where they are starting their production, the people of that country and the government also become profitable, become gainer. So this question is that MNCs set up, that is which region are favorable for MNCs to set up production. কোথায় production set up করবে? Where the production center they can get is nearer to the market. They will start their production in such a place from where they can marketize their produce easily from that place. So answer টা কিরকম এরকম লেখো? That region or regions are favorable for the MNCs where factors of production are chiefly and locally available. Locally available. Factors of production means land, labor, capital are chiefly available. Entrepreneur are themselves. So if these factors, labors are chiefly available, raw materials are chiefly available, water, electricity, all these are chiefly available, they will choose that locality. Not only that, they choose that market, that production place where market of that product are situated nearby. কাছাকাছি মার্কেট থাকতে হবে, যে মার্কেটে তারা ইজিলি তাদের প্রোডাক্টটা বিক্রি করতে পারবে। and the skilled and unskilled labors, raw materials, and water, electricity, etc. are chiefly and easily available. and easily available. Perhaps at lower rate, perhaps at lower cost also, at lower cost also. Okay, perhaps lower cost, যেখানে পাবে cheaply raw materials, labors. Are cheaply available and assured. তাছাড়া কি হবে? Where communication is good to transport goods and services. To transport goods rather, not services. And where communication is good for transportation. Where communication is good for transportation, that regions are favorable for MNCs to set up production. Is it clear? Could you follow it? If not, you write. Is there any confusion, students? Yes, sir. Clear? So these are the answers you will have to follow. This type of answer you have to follow. Then you must know that the effects of globalization. Can you say? You help me by saying something you know not less than me. I think you know more than you were studying this book throughout the year. I have just started to teach you to rather discuss the chapters. So you are rather acquainted to answer different questions. So help me by telling what are the effects of globalization. Just tell me, please. Help me. Question number 3. What are the effects of globalization? আমি তোমাদের কাছ থেকে আনসারটা একটু শুনতে চাই। What are the effects of globalization? Please tell me. Questionটা লেখো। 1 minute. Yes, sir. Helps in increasing GDP of the country. Okay. GDP in the country. How? Can you say? Globalization promotes and increases interaction between different regions and population. Yes, very good. That is good reason. Very good. Asmita, you are writing. 3 people are writing at a time. Srijan, Srivastav, Chetana. Wow, very good. Try your best. And you are writing exactly the answer. These are very good answers. Globalization promotes and increases in interaction between different regions and population. Good, very good. It has increased the choice of products. That's good, very good. Well-off section. All these are good, very good. Growing competition has made it possible to search quality of goods, as different types of goods are available in the market. Helps in increasing import and export. That helps in the increase in the economy. That's right. Very good. All are writing right points. You are explaining the right points. Rajakul. So very good students are there. So you yourself can write answer, I think. And this is very easy part in economics. Globalization. Rajakul, what is your difficulty, sir? You are typing. What lines are not coming? Yes. It has improved the quality of product due to increased competition. Also, price of similar goods tend to equalize in price. ठीक लिखेছো competition also, and the price of similar goods tend to decrease and available in different markets. যদি competition থাকে price decrease করে. Thank you. And next one is I am giving you free flow of capital is possible due to globalization. Free flow of capital, that is capital from the capitalist country, rich country, may flow from there to the rather weaker countries in the field of production. Interdependence among different countries may increase. It will help to set up friendship in the world, which will bring peace in the world. Is it not? If you have a trade relation with other countries, there must be a good relation. A good relation will come between among these different countries, which will be helpful to set up peace in the world. আর তোমরা বলেছো advanced technologies expands in the market. Economic prosperity, in other words, you also told it. Economic prosperity will take in most of the countries due to the appearance of MNCs. Because MNCs will help to generate employment opportunity in the developing and underdeveloped countries. For their production, for their selling, for packaging, marketing, or different things, they require workers, and they must recruit those workers from the domestic or the countries where they are producing goods. So employment generation will take place. It is also one of the benefit of the appearance of MNCs. No, is it only this? Good relation among the different countries due to trade relation will come into force. Good relation among different countries who exchange goods will come into force. So world peace may set up. তোমার সঙ্গে যদি বিভিন্ন দেশের মানে ভারতের সঙ্গে যদি অন্য অন্য দেশের একটা সুসম্পর্ক হয় ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ট্রেডের মাধ্যমে, গ্লোবালাইজেশনের মাধ্যমে, তাহলে চট করে যুদ্ধ লাগে না তাদের সঙ্গে। বা যদি ভারতবর্ষ, ইন্ডিয়া যদি কোনো ডিফিকাল্টি ফেস করে, বন্ধু হিসেবে সেই সমস্ত দেশগুলো তোমার পাশে, ইন্ডিয়ার পাশে দাঁড়াবে। ইট ইজ ওয়ান অফ দ্য রিজন অফ গ্লোবালাইজেশন। সো peace may be set up throughout the world, catching the hand of globalization in the form of appearance of MNCs. MNCs are coming from the developed countries, so their interest is to make profit by utilizing the other factors of production, raw materials, labor or manpower, etc., etc., and produce these commodities, sell in the market or local market, as well as exporting this commodity to the other countries. They earn higher profit. So in this way cultural exchange also takes place. তোমার সঙ্গে যদি আরেকটা বাড়ির কোনো সম্পর্ক হয়, তাদের কালচারের সঙ্গে তোমার কালচারটা একটা মিক্সচার, একটা মিক্স হবেই, তাতে ডেভেলপ হবে। ভালো যা তুমি নেবে আর খারাপ যা তুমি বর্জন করবে। তো ইন্ডিয়াতে যে সমস্ত ব্রিটিশরা এসেছিল ধরো, বা অন্য অন্য দেশের লোকে, ফ্রান্সের থেকেও এসেছিল, তারা যে এসেছিল আমাদের দেশ এক্সপ্লয়েট করেছে, ট্রিমেন্ডাসলি এক্সপ্লয়েট করেছে, কিন্তু কিছু কিছু দিয়ে গেছে, আমরা অনেক কিছু পেয়েওছি। ওরা আসার জন্য আমাদের ডেভেলপমেন্ট প্রসেসটা অন্তত একটু কি হয়েছে, কুইক হয়েছে, সুইফট হয়েছে। সো ইউ আর ভেরি গুড স্টুডেন্ট, answering properly the question. So I am sure that you will do good in the examination as you were able to answer all these questions perfectly. So thank you very much for this. Now if you have any question you may ask regarding this, because the chapter is closed, I have already discussed. If you want, I may revise the other chapters, but other chapters I think ma'am has already been done properly. So I don't, it is not required to go to the back chapters to discuss. Is it not? Okay, what is your opinion? If I have time, I may discuss all these, some of these chapters or not. Subodh Jyoti. Yes, sir. But you have learned, I think. Then I shall try. Because you have not much time, instead of that, I shall try to, if I can, I will revise all this stuff. But ma'am has done all these chapters very well. Saying about revision of the chapters, that is, revision is required. Revision. So question answer is not required, only revision. I will do that, try my best, I shall do, to revise all these chapters verbally. So okay, the time is up. Thank you very much for taking part in discussion with me. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. আমি বন্ধ করছি। চেতনা ঘোষ, থ্যাংক ইউ। সম্রাট চক্রবর্তী, থ্যাংক ইউ।